Welcome to another episode of Jumpin In The Pot. I'm your host, Marsha, and today is Christmas Eve. And this is what's jumping in my pot today. Herbal roasted prime rib. These are the ingredients we will be using: salt, pepper, rosemary, thyme, garlic, and olive oil. Fresh rosemary and fresh thyme you must use. And I have it here. I'm putting it on the prime rib. This is the prime rib. And I'm going to rub the herbs into the prime rib. Massage it all in it. And after we do this, we let it rest here for 10 minutes. And then after the 10 minutes, we have here a cast iron frying pan, which we are going to put it in the frying pan and put it in the oven and let it bake for 20 to 25 minutes or longer if you like. I've just taken the prime rib out the oven. It was cooking for 25 minutes. The next thing you do is you have to let it rest for an hour before you can cut it. If you don't let it rest for an hour, all the juices are going to just fall out of it, and you lose all the juiciness of the prime rib. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, and share. And follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. And you all have a Merry Christmas. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.